moving up ceremony. Kindergarten has been a fantastic adventure filled with laughter, learning, and new projects. We explored the world around us, painting colorful masterpieces, and discovered the joy of counting and sharing. Thank you all for being the part of this incredible journey with us. As we move on to our new adventure, I want to express gratitude to our wonderful teachers who have guided us with patience and care. To our parents, thank you for their endless love and support. Today, let's celebrate the big steps we have taken and look forward to the exciting journey ahead. Here to the next chapter in our lives. Thank you and wassalam.
Thank you.